Wix Zoom Integration tutorial. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can integrate Zoom with Wix.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com, and from the dashboard right here, you can click on apps and then go to Wix App Market. Here you can write events or event, and then you need to go here, Wix Event and Tickets. And here, what do you need to do? You need to click on Add to Site. Now it's going to take some time to load up, but when it does, it's going to create a template for you that you can use on your site. Okay, so here it is. Let's just see if the app is loaded or not. Here you go. It is right here. We can go to Manage Events. Add event. Ticketed event. We can give it the name. Now this is just being written to give you an example. Then add categories, create category, sports, confirm. It's a single event, and we can select the date as well of the event. We can click on online, and then we can go and click on create event. Okay, location, virtual. And now what are we going to do? We're going to click on features because everything about the event is done. And then we're going to click on video conferencing, set up video conferencing. And then what do we need to do? We need to click on connect, and our Zoom will be automatically connected. Here you go. You can see right here. We're going to click allow. It's asking for permission. And here you go. We have connected Zoom. We have integrated Zoom with our Wix website. So that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.